So hello and welcome back to another unboxing. So I've got some new coins today, and this is not my coin shop, but this is who I purchased them off. So you can find them on eBay, or this is their coin shop. I do recommend them. They do have a lot of coins and banknotes that are being circulated, so like this. If they're current banknotes, they usually have them close to face value. There's a little bit over. Or if they're circulated like this Mexico 10,000 pesos, then they have them at a reasonable price. So I recommend you purchase from them. So let's have a look at the coins that I got. So what I purchased, I got these for $5. They are Rhodesian coins. So we had the 6 pence or the 5 cents. So there's two denominations, but this is still pre-decimal currency because they still had a half and 1 penny, and in 1968 they issued a threepence without the corresponding cent denominations. So here we have a flower, and these are Rhodesia. They have the reigning monarch Queen Elizabeth II on this side, and then we have the 10 cent with the coat of arms of Rhodesia. So if you're not too familiar with Rhodesia, Rhodesia is the current country of Zimbabwe. And before this, it did use the coins of Rhodesia and Nyasaland, or Southern Rhodesia before that. So Southern Rhodesia was Zimbabwe, and then we had Northern Rhodesia, which was Zambia, and Nyasaland, which is Malawi. And here we have the Rhodesian Eagle, or Zimbabwe Eagle, and I can't remember what they call it. That's 20 cent, 2.5 shillings. So these are a high mint, roughly about 10 million. The Rhodesian coins of the 70s have a lower mint. And this is a 25 cent or 2 and 6 pence. So you got 2 shillings, 6 pence. Or 1 florin and 6 pence. And that one has a springbok, might be. Oh, I can't remember what animals are on these. So these are a nice set, and I do like to get a few coins. So the current series that I'm trying to get is Cyprus pre-decimal series of £1 equals 20 shillings, and 1 shilling equals 9 piastres. So that's the difference, 9 piastres. And that was taken from the time when the Ottomans or the Turkish people controlled Cyprus. So here we have a half piastre and 1 piastre in copper and nickel, scallop shape. And this one's circulated up into 1960. And these cost me $15. So this one, that looks like to be VF or EF. Actually, I'd say EF condition. So that's going to be worth a lot more than $10 I purchased it for. And this one is, it's probably in fine condition. So these only have a mintage of a few million. But to get it in EF condition is quite hard. Then I got some silver coins from Belgium. So this one is in French, Royaume de Belgique. And this one's in touch. So this is a commemorative coin to celebrate 50 years of independence, 1830 to 1850. That's 50, not 30. Get myself confused. And these are 1 franc coins. And they're based on the French franc when they were in the Latin Monetary Union, which the Netherlands was never in that union. So it has the Belgian lion, and on the obverse, so this is the front of the coin, with Leopold and I can't remember that. Leopold the First, Leopold the Second. There you go. A little bit warm, but not an easy coin to get. And here we have Leopold. So this is Koning, so King de Belgium. So that is a nice coin. I don't have the mintage figures for this video, but I'll do another video on them. Then I have the 2 franc. So this is probably in fine to very good condition. So this side's definitely very good condition. So these are 1867. And then I have a 1951 50 franc. And I believe that's Mercury. And on this side we have 50 francs. This was a circulating coin. And this 20 franc was also silver, from what I remember. So that is a nice pickup. I think I got these for like 40 bucks. So let's have a look at the banknotes. So just remember, coin peeps, check them out. I do recommend them. And let's have a look what I got. So, as you can see, a Mexican banknote. This one I don't have. NC series, sort of date on it. So this is the inflation period, so probably 80s or 90s this was issued. And it has Cardenas. Don't know who that guy is. Now this was not replaced by a coin. I think that the lowest value is 5,000. So by the 1994, when they changed over to currency, this would have been the lowest valued banknote. And here we have some either Aztec or Maya. Looks like it might be a Maya. Actually, no, look like it might be Aztec. Some imagery from Native America. Anyway, but we have those buildings there. They look Maya. Anyway, that's a nice one. That's probably worth, I don't know, $2 or $3. Don't have many Mexican banknotes. Here we have a banknote's only worth about $1. So in the 1990s, they actually, I think the Herald Sun had a giveaway, and these were one of the banknotes. I think they were the first banknote they gave away. So it's a 100 escudos from Mozambique. It says 1961, but these were issued in 1975 after independence. So these are pretty common in Australia now. Then we have a 100 peso from the Philippines. So this is one banknote I don't have. So when they issue commemorative banknotes, they usually put the commemorative symbol in here. This one's a well circulated banknote. It has an exchange rate of $2, but these have been demonetized now, so you can't really change it at the bank. Maybe at the central bank you can. It's quite a nice banknote. Then we have an Indonesian banknote, 10,000 rupiah. And this one is equivalent to about $1. So it's a 92. They're not in circulation. Bit of damage there. And it has this guy who is Sri Sultan Hemengku Bawoku. So he's a sultan of some place. And here's a coat of arms in Indonesia. Watermark is that guy. And on the back, oh, this is a Borobudur. So this is a Hindu temple in Java. Very interesting. This was actually covered by lava at one time. So you wouldn't have been able to see it. And then they excavated it. Very interesting. So if you want to look up to Borobudur, you'll find it very interesting. And as you can see, one serial number is in black and the other one is in red. So that's a nice banknote. Banknote I already have is a Lao 500 kip. So it's a 1988 frozen date. I believe these still circulate. And they probably just keep on repeating serial numbers. So you can probably get one banknote with more than with the same serial number. You'll be surprised. And that's well circulated. This is probably not even worth $1. Oh, look. Belarus, 20 rubles. And this one's from 2000. So this is from the second ruble. And it's no longer in circulation because they changed it in 2016 to the third ruble. And this one just has buildings. And I believe I have that banknote. But I'll have to go through my collection and see. So it's a nice banknote. The current banknotes are a lot better than these ones. Then we have the Zambia 100 Crutcher. So this was the previous series. And it was... No, it wasn't changed. The polymer one was a 500 1000 Crutcher. So this was changed in 2012, so 9 years ago, to new currency. So if you go to Zambia, they get confused with this one being the current banknote, because it's not. This is quite a nice design. So you always got the fishing eagle. You've got some type of plant on these banknotes. And on the back, you have a commemoration. So this looks like Zambezi Falls. And this represents independence and freedom. Thomas de la Rue. Nice banknote. A Brazilian banknote. 100 cruzeiros. So this one is a 1000. As you can see, quite a long serial number, so most of them are pretty much A. And this one is Machio de Assis. I don't have a date on that banknote. So this is from the inflation period when they went for quite a few currencies. So cruzado, then went cruzeiros and reals. This one is a nice scene from 1905, Rio de Janeiro. Ura Road de Marco. Then we have a 5,000 lira from Italy, quite common. These sell for about $5 to $10. Nice banknote. That's from the last currency banknotes that they issued before the euro. Then we have a 5,000 dong from Vietnam. This is 87. So this is not the one currently in circulation. It's a different banknote. But this one's nice. I don't think I have this banknote. Yeah. Anyway, so it's some oil platforms. Not that they produce much oil. And Ho Chi Minh. Hi, I'm Uncle Ho. Come and visit me in Hanoi. Anyway. Then we have, this is one of my favourite banknote series. Papua New Guinea 5 Kinah. So all the paper banknotes have been demonetized, but this one has the date 2005 and has the bird of paradise, has indigenous artwork, so they're probably from different ethnic groups. Fun fact, Papua New Guinea has about 500 to 600 different languages. So, and is that it, 500 to 600? Yeah, and New Guinea, I believe, has at least 1,500 to 3,000, something like that. There's a debate on how many. So New Guinea, so not Papua New Guinea, just New Guinea, the whole island, is the most linguistically diverse place in the world. So it's very interesting. And this one has a mask, or that could be a shield, can't remember, necklace. So very interesting. Then we have a Cambodian 50 reals, so this no longer in circulation. With the new banknotes, they didn't issue this denomination. It has a temple, it's probably somewhere in Angkor. And on the back, we have a dam, small dam. So this is 2002. Has exchange rate of about 1 cent. Another Belarus banknote, 1,000 ruble, 100 rubles, should I say. And we have the Belarusian ballet. And on the back, this is most likely the Belarusian ballet building. And this one is from 2000, so nice banknote. Ooh, a Russian, so you've got a Russian flag. From 93, 100 rubles. So different than the Belarusian ruble. And got a building. And that banknote I don't have. Oh, I didn't even know what banknotes I purchased this time. This one I have. I like this. This is the best Malawi series that they issued. 2004, 10 Crutcher, but they changed it to a coin now, so you won't get these in circulation. But this one's probably worth about $1 or $2. And the current exchange rate's about 500 Crutcher equals $1, so really 2 cents. It's, poor country. On this coin, I did this banknote from Turkey. So this is the 1 million lira. This used to be equivalent in 2005 to $1, but now it's only worth about 10, 15 cents. There's Kemal Ataturk on it. So he's the founder of modern Turkey. On the back, don't know this place, but it's got a name here. Ataturk Barachi, so Ataturk Dam in San Liu Lura. San Liu Rufa. San Liu Rufa. Oh, sorry, don't speak Turkish, but I'll try. Okay, Burmese 100 Kayat. Chat? I think it's called Chat. So we have the serial number in Burmese, and you have one in Latin, Arabic numerals. And then here's a Chinzi. And on the back, we have a native. Let's say they're rebuilding a temple. So, see 100. I say Kayats, but some people say Chats. So this is the debate. Another Turkish banknote, 50 lira. So this was replaced by a coin in the 80s. And this one says 1970, but that's just a frozen date. It's just the date of the decree in which allowed them to produce this banknote. And we have a nice pattern there. Kemal Ataturk again. And on this side we have some fountain, but I'm not too sure what fountain it is. So there's another banknote I don't have. Okay, Indonesia 100 rupiahs from 1992. They did have a coin at this time as well. But they still issued the banknotes. Some countries do that. To Peru Pinense and type of sailing ship. And on the back, don't know who's the watermark. We have a volcano, so Krakatoa volcano. So that's the one that exploded 150 years ago. And last one, we have a Greek 50 drachma. So this is the 1978. And it has Poseidon. So it says there, Poseidon. Poseidon. Yep, Poseidon. Yay. And it has some ancient Greek scenes of some soldiers on a boat. Probably a trimeme. And on the back we have the Greek independence episode. So we've got people in their 1830s clothing. That's probably the British fleet. So I need to look that up. So it's probably worth, I don't know, $2 or $3 anyway. Anyway, so that's my latest pickup. I hope you learned a lot from this video and also have an awesome banknote and coin collecting time. Thank you, and check out my links below and have fun collecting banknotes and coins.